Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Code with me, the Primary Wizard. This is the series where I challenge myself to make an algorithm in under 5 minutes. So today what we're going to do is we're going to draw some shapes using the pen tool. Now the pen tool is a little bit hidden in Scratch because in the new version of Scratch it's not already there. What you have to do is go down to this bottom left hand corner. That's why I've moved to the middle, and click on this and you'll see all these options. We want the pen, so we're going to click on that and it adds it to our list of tools here. So the ones we're going to need today are erase and pen down. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to ask the user, the person using the program, how many sides their shape has got. And we're going to draw a custom shape just for them. So how many sides has your shape got? Okay, now here's a little fact about regular shapes. So regular shapes are shapes that have got the same angle all the way around and the same size length of the sides all the way around. And when you add up the external angles of those shapes, it always adds up to 360. And I can use that 360 degrees to make sure that every time that they put in a number of how many sides it has, my shape goes and joins right back up to the start. So I'm going to go to this operators and I'm going to get the divide block. I'm going to take their answer and I'm going to divide 360 degrees by their answer. So for example, if their answer was 4, then it's going to divide 360 by 4. That will give me 90-degree angles, which will give me a square, or at least that's what I think. So let's give that a go. So when go is clicked, I first of all want to erase everything that was there before. I want to ask the question. We can then put the pen down. Right, so now what I want to do is I want to start using this calculation. So I want them to move and turn. So if I get it to move, let's say, let's go for 40. Move 40 steps, and then I want it to turn the number of degrees that is this calculation. So that'll be my 90 degrees. And I want them to do it the number of sides there are on that shape. So I've already asked that question. So I'm going to get it to repeat. And I'm going to get it to go repeat to their answer. So whatever their answer is, it's going to repeat it that many times. Let's give this a go and see if this works. So if I do that 4-sided shape, let's see if it does draw that. Awesome, so it's gone 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. A couple of things then we can do to perhaps improve our code. First thing I'll do is set where the sprite starts, or where Scratch starts. So let's go to there first. So we're always going to start in that same position. Okay, and then I can test it again. Let's try a triangle. Fantastic. Now you'll notice every time I do it, I have to keep moving Scratch as well to see the shape. So what I want to do is hide Scratch at the end. So when he's finished drawing the shape, he can hide. And which means I want to show him again at the start. So let's put show there. Okay, so let's try a pentagon. Brilliant. Okay, my shapes are quite small. I might up it to 50 steps and try that. Let's try a hexagon. Nice. Okay. Right, now next thing I might do is look at the pens and I might change the colour. So what I can do is say change pen colour by, and if I put it in here, it'll change every corner. Every time it turns, it'll change the colour. So if I change it by, right, let's try 15, see what that looks like. So let's do octagon, 8-sided shape, perfect, and that was cool. Let's try one more thing. Let's try and set the width of the pen a bit bigger so it's a bit thicker. So I can set the pen size to, I don't know, 5. Let's try 5. Let's try a heptagon, a 7-sided shape. Perfect. Right, guys, I think that's fantastic. That's a really nice little algorithm. Draws whatever shape you want. You could try doing a 12-sided shape, a decagon. There you go. Wow, fantastic. A dodecagon, sorry, a decagon's a 10-sided shape. Let's do one of those. Decagon's 10 sides. Awesome. Right, that's really good. So that's my algorithm for today, and I have just got in under 5 minutes. So that's another win for me. Awesome, guys. If you like the video, give it a like. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.